Oh, okay. What can you do to fix it, sir?
I have a part in my backpack.
Okay, great.
Fix it! What? Fix it! Well, fix it! Okay. I'm gonna take that out. It's still going on, wait. I think these are too sharp. I think they are too sharp.
Okay.
Okay, I'll get a backpack in.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, good job, Steve.
Okay. Oh, and fix it! This is it.
Yeah.
This is the open.
Oh, it is? All right, great. Thanks. Sadie, out of there. That's not your bag.
That's not your bag. Not my bag.
Well, is it fixed, sir?
Yeah. But I have to fix this.
All right. Well, I think that's enough. Thank you. Oh, great. I'm going to run it. Oh, thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Here, let me pay you. Thanks.
See you later.